Aloha friends, Stephanie Weeks here with OurWellnessRevolution.com, and today we are talking about the safety of GMOs. As we approach GMO Awareness Month, we hope that you'll take a few minutes to share this topic with others. I believe that we have the right to know which foods we consume are genetically modified. A simple way for consumers to be protected would to have GMO food labeling. Then we can have a choice if we want to consume these types of foods or not. And the fact is that we do not know if genetically engineered foods are safe or not. And I would rather be safe than sorry when it comes to possibly putting poison in my body, wouldn't you? Monsanto is the largest producer of genetically engineered foods worldwide, and Monsanto claims to be a sustainable agricultural company. They have brought us products to market such as aspartame and Agent Orange and Roundup Ready herbicide. And with a track record like this, personally, I am very leery of using any of their products. So many of us confuse hybrid foods with genetically engineered foods, so let's clear that up right away. Hybrid breeding is what farmers have been doing for years, slicing genes of plants together which are of the same genome. Genetically engineered foods, however, are combining the DNA of two completely different species that would never naturally converge in nature, like putting the DNA of a fish and a tomato together. The bottom line is that the FDA does not review all products before they enter the market, and the FDA does not review the safety of genetically engineered foods such as sweet corn and yellow crookneck squash. GM food falls under the regulation of the Environmental Protection Agency. They're considered pesticides, so they're feeding us pesticides, which is disgusting. So when there are questions about the safety of genetically engineered foods, the FDA can point only to what the industry studies claim, based on the industry's own short-term studies, which are anywhere from 90 days to 4 weeks. There hasn't been any long-term studies. We need to think about what these foods are doing to our bodies. Is there a correlation in the rise of allergies and cancers and illnesses since the induction of GMO foods? And what are the long-term effects to our health? What is it doing to the sustainability of our soil and increasing the amount of herbicides and pesticides sprayed on our crops? And what happens when these chemicals run off into our water supply? This is an issue that affects life on a grand scale. There are 9 genetically modified crops, which I've listed in the blog below. And that doesn't sound so bad, right? 9? Well, the derivatives of these 9 crops make up 70% of the foods on our supermarket shelves, which is huge. So this begs the question, if GMOs are harmless and Monsanto is proud of their invention, why are they lobbying so hard against the labeling of their products? Why would starving people in Africa send back food aid that was made of genetically modified foods? And what kind of science experiment is being conducted on us unknowingly? My hope is that you will do some research for yourself. Be an informed consumer. There are so many great resources out there for you. Check out the movie Genetic Roulette, The Future of Food, The World According to Monsanto, Symphony of the Soil, Seeds of Deception. There are so many great resources to check out. Go local, buy local. Know your farmers and know the type of food that they produce. A site called Farm Match can help you find safe, locally grown food in your community. We hope you've enjoyed this segment of OurWellnessRevolution.com. If you found this video helpful, share it with a friend because sharing is caring, and remember to subscribe to our newsletter so that you get all of these videos and health tips first. We'll see you next time.